UTAC is unlike any other.
The way that you could train here with the destroyed buildings, the ability to do breaching, it just blew my mind.
All the multiple technologies in one place and the operational focus, there's nothing else that compares.
I was able to attend the first UTAC back in 2019, and for it to grow to this is incredible. To see how many different vendors they've been able to get out here, and it's such a huge benefit for the attendees to be able to see all of the new technology in one place.
From the state and federal all the way down to small departments, all of them focused on getting what they need.
Everyone's an operator here, right? That's the biggest difference. You're able to talk shop, you're able to talk parallel. You can have those conversations that you can't have with other civilian members. Here it's open season and everybody learns best practices.
Not only is it just the exhibition, but there's tons of time to take classes and learn from those that are more experienced, learn from other vendors, but those that are out in the field.
We can test so many things yet. I wish we had this every day.
The facilities, lend themselves to so many different ways to engage and execute different scenarios.
This campus is impressive. Very realistic environment to, both test our platforms and, allow operators to, test their knowledge and training in these environments.
It was really cool to see the underground side with the subway as well.
Watching all of these technical demonstrations of the technology all coming together, it's truly a hands-on experience. And as I said, there isn't quite anything like it that I've been to stateside.
Train like you operate mentality is, this is exactly what public safety needs.